Here is a question from Chu regarding a problem with the AI automatic subtitle generator, speech to text or text to speech, that it doesn't give the proper language that he's selected. And I don't know Chinese, so I can't examine this issue, but I will take him for his word that it gives the wrong translation or uses the wrong language. Instead, what I would suggest is a method on how to fix this issue. And that is to submit your issue to Filmora. And in this video, I will demonstrate how to do that. Many of you post questions, and I love answering questions. Sometimes, however, it's necessary for you to submit your issue to Filmora or Wondershare rather, so they can correct the issue. I have found that they are very responsive when you take these steps. You'll get a notification that your request has been received, and if they can answer it, they will send you an answer. If it's a legitimate issue, they will escalate it to the developers, and you'll see your correction in a future release of Filmora. I had an issue here. I wanted to make changes to a thumbnail, and they just don't have the little trash can activated, and so I can't make the change to the thumbnail that I want to. So this is how you should submit a request to Wondershare. The first step is actually record the various steps that you took to encounter the problem. If you show that in a short video to the developers, then that is the best and most successful way to submit. So you would, before you go through your steps, you would say record from PC screen, and you would go back into Filmora, and you would then go through the steps that created your issue. Save that video, export it. The next step then would be to click on the help and go down here to feedback, and you'll get this feedback comment here, and you would click feature bug and then give a short description of your issue. In my case, I could not change the thumbnail on a video because the trash can is never activated on that screen. So I recorded those steps, and so I'm just going to say there, cannot change a thumbnail once it has been selected. And you say the trash can is never active. Okay, so that's the nature of my problem. That's the video that I've created. I will now upload my video. And here we have the video that I have. And I'll open that, and you can see that it's now uploading it to the form. So this is a great adjunct or addition to your comment. A lot of times our comments aren't that descriptive, but if we showed the actual steps we took to record the problem, you most likely won't get a follow-up question. Could send us some logs or whatever, because you've shown exactly how the problem occurs, and they can repeat it on their system. If necessary, you could also upload your project file. In most cases, that's probably not necessary. I would say agree to have them contact you if they need to ask you further questions. That's a good idea. So these are the steps that are highly effective to getting any issue that you have resolved. Just click submit, and that's all that's to it.